Whitney from WSS EQUESTRIAN. Welcome to my video on how to clean a horse's stable. So it is a pretty quick and easy job once you get into the groove of it and you understand what you're doing. So let's run over with the most important key factors when it comes to cleaning your horse's stable. Cleanliness. It's so important that you pick up as much or of all the horse shit as possible. It's hard when you get young horses or horses that just box crazy and they walk the shit through the sawdust, manure through the sawdust. But at the moment we're quite. Shrek normally does that because Shrek's stable's going to be the example today. But he did really good. He hasn't really walked it much through his sawdust, so it's going to be a quick and easy clean job today in his stable. So it's really important that you pick it all up and get it out of there, because this is his home. This is where normally they don't get crammed in a small area. It is us as the human, as the rider, as the owner. It's up to us to do the right thing by our horses and have them living in a comfortable, clean environment. So that means picking up all the straw or the hay or the oat, loosen whatever hay you feed, pick that up out of the stable. Pick up all the sawdust and disc it up and spread it around to let it air out and dry if you need to. That's in the pea spots. And then pick up all the manure. It's that simple. So you just get in, clean it up, and then make sure that there's enough bedding supplied in the stable as well. That's highly important, that you've got enough of it in there so that they're not just standing on the concrete or the hard dirt ground. So that's about it, guys. That's the most important things covered. Let me jump on into this and we'll get cleaning, and I'll show you how I clean my horse's stable. This is what I do every morning. So I don't come from a family where we can just pay strappers and grooms and everything like that, where, you know, someone turns up, feeds my horses, grooms my horses, cleans the stables. No. My equestrian life and everything I do, this is all done by me. So I do this, I clean my horses' stables out in the mornings, and it only makes sense. So my horses go out during the day. They hate being locked up during the day, so they go out during the day. Gives the stable time to air out and dry out in those pea spots, and I just clean it out in the morning so that the bugs and it doesn't attract and get nasty fungals and all that stuff grow and take off in the stable. So it gives it a little break for half the day, then they come back in the afternoon. So my routine is I clean this out early in the morning before I start work, before I ride the horses. Get in, clean it up, prep it. So after I've cleaned my stables, just briefly I'll touch base on, I put all the hay in the hay nets and I hang them back in the stables, and then I fill the water buckets up with fresh water after I've cleaned out the water bucket, and then I take the feed bin and put it in my feed room area ready for the night, so when I come in the afternoon I can just, you know, grab it all and put the feeds in it, and then I put the feeds straight in the stables before I go get the horses to bring them in. So yeah, that's my quick little routine, but let's jump into the most important part, cleaning the stables. So, and to do so, you just need a rake. This is my original set, and then a bucket. So these two, I've had these since I started stabling horses 2013, going on 10 years. My rake has gotten shorter and shorter, like obviously wet down here and the pee and the urine and the horse manure rotting away slowly at the bottom of the wood, and my boyfriend cuts it off, drills the holes, puts the bolts through, and she's got it near and she can keep going. And then the original bucket from Bunnings, so you just grab one of these buckets. Perfect. All you need is just these two things, or a wheelbarrow. If there's a lot of hay and it's too much to put in a little bucket, get a wheelbarrow. They're very helpful as well. Alright, so let's get into this, guys. And then I bag up my manure, that's why I put it in the bucket. It's much easier to put it in a wheelbarrow if you tuck it outside, but I put mine in bags and I chuck them up for sale because I live in town. A lot of the old people that live around me, they love it for their garden, so I bag up the manure and I sell it. that I have picked up the manure, I'm now going to use the rake. I'm just going to pick up this oaten hay that he's dropped on the ground he hasn't eaten. I'm just going to clean that up and get rid of it. So easy to put this in the wheelbarrow. Now that the straw and the hay that he's dropped on the ground is now being picked up, I'm just going to rake over the sawdust. So I start off with up the back. I just pull in from the sides to make it nice and level. This is the way I was taught the racing stable that I worked at, just make it all nice and level, neat and tidy for when they come into. But for me personally, I don't do that. I just pull it in on the sides, get all the sawdust off the walls and have it as thick as I can in the middle, because they're physically not going to touch the edge of the stable, so more often than not. So let's move the camera a bit closer. When you do rake it over, you will come across other little bits that you miss, and that's the time to pick it up. So yeah, this is it guys. That's how you clean a stable. And then to finish off, I get the broom and I will sweep the walkway. She's done. Well, wait a second, I forgot. I sweep on the inside. I sweep on the front of Shrek's stable right up close because he doesn't come to the edge of his stable, he stays right in the middle of it. So, and he spreads his food all over the ground when he eats it, so I just help him a little by letting him drop it on the concrete instead of in the sawdust. Alright guys, there you have it. It is done. Let's do a close-up of his stable. Alright, there you have it. Nice, clean, level sawdust in his stable. Top up the waters and top up his hay, and it's done, ready to go for this evening. Alright guys, that's how I clean my stables. Hope this was helpful. Please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to keep up to date with any show horse related videos. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Good luck with all your show horse preparation. Bye!